Trim MicroSol 689 NXT is a translucent, premium, high lubricity microemulsion built for modern high-speed machining. Trim MicroSol 689 NXT delivers superior low foam for high-pressure, high-volume operations. It offers top-tier performance on even the most challenging materials, including stainless steel and Inconel. This product keeps parts cool and lubricated while ensuring uniform wetting and protection. Trim MicroSol 689 NXT also helps maintain part integrity and extends tool life. Because it has a high vegetable oil content, this formula delivers maximum lubrication and exceptional cooling, ensuring efficiency and sustainability in every application. Mineral oil free and high performance approved, designed for uncompromising results.
So to walk into the shop every day and to come into fresh, clean air and have the employees, go home to their wives and families and understand, hey, this is the change that the shop is making, a commitment to us as employees, that even our health is a concern to them, not just productivity, not just cost, not just that. It's really down to caring for the employees. And then the performance. Our cutting tool costs have come down because the performance has been better on the wear and life of our tools. So now we've got multiple benefits off of investing in this program.
Safety and sustainability matter. Its low odor, stable formulation creates a cleaner, safer, and more efficient workplace. Trim MicroSol 689 NXT delivers exceptional hard water stability, as well as consistent performance and reliability in demanding environments. This product is free of mineral oils, boron, nitrites, chlorinated and sulfurized EP additives, triazine, and phenols.
Today we're taking a peek inside this machine cabinet. Look how clean it is. There's hardly any machine coolant residue buildup, any pooling of it. It shears away, it runs clean, it goes away the chips don't carry it off, it stays in the machine, it stays in the sump. This is what one of our claim to fame is for our MicroSol products, is they run cleaner, they stay in the machines, they don't go out the chips, you use less, you spend less, saving money for the end user.
To learn more about Trim MicroSol 689 NXT, contact us at masterfluids.com.